Understanding the phrase, save the file, an English language learning guide. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, save the file. This is a commonly used phrase in the digital world, and understanding it is crucial for navigating computers and online platforms. Let's dive in. In the context of computers and digital media, save refers to the action of storing data, like a document, picture, or video, in a specific location on a computer or online storage. When you save something, it means you're keeping it for future use. A file is a collection of data stored on a computer. It can be a document, an image, a video, or any other type of data. Understanding what a file is essential for using computers effectively. Now, when we combine these two terms, save the file simply means to store a digital file in a particular location. This action ensures that your data is not lost when you turn off your computer or exit the program. Let's look at some examples. After writing a document, you would save the file to ensure your work is not lost. When editing photos, you save the file to keep the changes you made. Always remember to save your work frequently to avoid losing data. Familiarize yourself with the save icon, often a floppy disk image, in various programs. And that's it. Understanding the phrase, save the file, is a small but significant step in mastering computer-related English vocabulary. We hope this video has been informative and helpful. Happy learning, and see you in our next lesson.